newspaper scanning. For newspaper is really soft and fragile, so I recommend to use the feather mode to make the paper feed smoothly. Okay, insert the paper. Now do the full color scanning in 200 dpi. Now the newspaper is really, the paper color is grayish and also very thin paper. Therefore, if you look the scanning closely, you can see the backside printing as well. So if you want to remove this and also this grayish or the kind of the brownish color of the background to make it white, go to the white point, choose the arrow and choose the color picker. And wherever you want to make it white, you choose the area. Then immediately the background to make it white and the background printing to be removed. You can also do the same effect to the black, but in case of black, like the newspaper is really grayish, the black is not true black. So go to black point, same like white point, choose the color picker and choose the area which you want to make it pure black. Done. With this, context is make your make your scanning better than the original. As you can see, if you take a look at the black font, clearly black text. If you look at the photo, the real color photo was more vivid. So it's much better than the original newspaper. Done.